Let's talk about a particular problem on page U of the Chemistry 1125 case. And this is going to involve balancing an equation and then converting from grams to moles and moles to moles. All right, so number 40 on the bottom of page U. So let's read this together. Phosphoric acid is processed by the reaction of tetraphosphorus dicoxide with water in this equation. Now you'll notice the equation has not been balanced. But then once we balance it, they want us to figure out how many moles of H3PO4 are produced when 125 grams of water react with this P4O10. So that means we have plenty of P4O10. We don't have to worry about that. We do need to figure out how many moles of water are in 125 grams. And then we can convert to figure out the moles here. But step one is we need to balance the equation. So let's figure out here. I like to look at I'm looking at the phosphorus first. I have 4 P's over here and only 1 over here. Let's see what happens if I put a 4 in front of that. Now that gives me 12 hydrogen. So I balance the phosphorus, hydrogen's 12, but if I do a 6 over here, now I have 12 hydrogen. Let's see how much total oxygen we have. Notice that here we have 10 oxygen, and here we have distributive property, 6 times 1, so 6. We have a total of 16 oxygen on this side of the equation. And let's see what we have over here. Oh, yippee! 4 times 4 means I have 16 oxygen on the right as well. So it looks like we're good now. We have 12 hydrogen, 16 oxygen, and 4 of the phosphorus. So let's talk about the steps involved here then. We're going to take the 125 grams of water. We can look up using our periodic table that 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen add up to 18.052 grams. Okay, you know how to do that. So then I'm going to let you finish this step. You're going to take the 125, divide by 18.052, and you'll notice that grams are going to cancel, so it'll come out in moles, and that's moles of water. So whatever answer you get, notice you're going to plug that in now as your first step in the last part of the problem. We have to multiply and cancel moles of water on the top with moles of water on the bottom. So these two numbers come right from our balanced equation. Okay, so we can put a 4, it looks like, up on the top here, and a 6 on the bottom. And now when we multiply whatever this answer worked out to be, multiply that times the 4, divide by 6, and your answer will come out in moles of H3PO4. Hopefully that will, just going over that one together, will help you with some of the other ones on the page. And as you know, in the middle of the page, they do have the solution guides for all of these problems. So if you get stuck, you can, while you're up at the score table, see what they did and then try to go back and do it on your own. All right, good luck on that one.